So this is the box that has arrived yesterday. I will be opening it right now. This is the term 3 box. Let's open it and let's find out what's there inside it. My child is already so much excited about it. Let's open it, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Let me see. Wow, look at this. This is nice.
I'm
Term
really
1, month 1, month 2, month 3.
Much way. This is the box.
Material list. This is not the box. Yeah, this is the box. This is the material list. So out here, they have the number of day bags here for month 1.
Into class.
This is the activity name,
Into class.
English. This is the material list for month 2 and the material list for month 3. Month 3 has very less material, but I guess they will be reusing it. Let's check out the materials. You're peeping in that way.
That way.
Let's check what we have in month 1, okay?
One.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's check it. This is term 3, month 1.
Month 1.
This month we'll be focusing on fascinating concepts such as musical instruments, wow, various modes of transportation. They will also be introduced to community helpers and their role in the society. This is interesting. We'll focus on phonics to give your child a head start with their reading skills. This is nice. This is nice. I wanted this. This is the day 1 bag.
Bag.
Match the white tile to the ending sound of the picture. Okay, this is a kind of piano. They will
Piano.
be introduced to pianos and everything. This is fun. It's going to be fun. The day 1 bag.
Bag.
The day 2 bag. This is also related to musical instruments, I guess. And they have numbers out here, which means they will be increasing the numeracy skills as well as the knowledge for musical instruments. The day 3 bag. This is a guitar.
Guitar.
They have to fix it.
Fixed it.
Yes.
Yes.
Purple guitar and green strings. Wow. Both yours and mine favorite. This is day 4 bag. They have all are different in its own way. You cannot just predict which activity is actually what, because it looks very new and very unique, and when we actually sit for doing the activities, they are really fascinating. This is day 5 bag. Oh, I think mode of transport. Yes, I can see some cars and everything. They will know all the different modes of transport. Day 5. This is the day 6 bag. I can see road, I can see scooter here. I don't want to open the packet and check everything one by one.
By one.
Some stuffs are good to be kept as surprise. So day 6 bag. The day 7 bag with the phonic sound and the modes of transport. This is a train, the engine. They have various things. Day 9 bag also comprises of the mode of transport. Day 10 bag. These are the community helpers that I was talking about. They have just mentioned it in their syllabus that they are going to focus on community helpers as well. This is something very nice that the child, if they get to know about community helpers, it's very nice. We didn't know when we were of his age. When we were of 3.5 years old, we didn't know so much of things. The time has changed. This is day 11 bag. I don't know what it is all about. This is day 12 bag. Puzzle. It is a puzzle again. I don't know what kind of puzzle. Can't see it. This is the bonus bag. Probably for the art and craft activities. Let's check out the book material. This is the exercise book. You're singing Lag Ja Gale? Oh my god. Such an old song, but epic song. This is the firefighter book, story book. This is again regarding a jungle. They have animals. Their stories are usually very illustrative and very interesting. Do you like it, Baba?
Yeah.
This is regarding transportation, definitely, because how shall we go? So they have shown different modes of transportation out here. Giraffes out here looks quite hip-hop. Hip-hop giraffes. Clinto class has sent hip-hop giraffes for you. This is a maths activity book
Activity book.
with new concepts. newer numbers. Let me see. Wait, I know it's your favorite. Wait, let me show it. They have numbers till how many? My son knows till 100. They have given till 50. The English activity book. Okay. Activity book.
Activity book.
Cannot hold it. Pollution in the city. Wow. Different modes of transportation, musical This is the lesson planner for the second month of the term 3 kit. They said this month will be focusing on sky elements in detail. Your child will learn in detail about different seasons using hands-on learning materials. The child will also learn about CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant words. Family using hands-on learning material. In numeracy, we will focus on counting, sequencing and finding the missing numbers. My child loves it, finding the missing numbers and everything. He loves maths. Yes, baby. What, I'm covering your face, that's why.
Okay.
And in science, they will learn about seasons, community helpers, space and sky elements using hands-on exploratory material. Yes, baby. This is a day 13 bag. It's all based on puzzle, but definitely they have some brilliant concept behind all these puzzles. This is day 13 bag. This is day 14 bag. These are like puzzles. I think you have to fix it somewhere according to their respective places. The day 15 bag is again a puzzle.
I love that.
Day 16 bag with a kind of rotational alphabets. This is those cubes. The child has to form the cubes by folding along the crease lines, and definitely there is some concept behind this also. This is the day 17 bag. The day 18 bag, such a teeny mini bag. These are kind of cards, small cards. These are kind of cards. This is the day 20 bag, related to space definitely because I can see the stars and yeah. Day 20 bag. The day 22 bag. This is day 23 bag. You have to pop out these and fix it as per the instruction that they will give. Just by holding it, I have popped it out. This is the day 24 bag. Based on nature, definitely related to EVS. This is the common material that they have given. The water paints. I still do have the previous term's water paints. We'll be using them at first. We'll be finishing them and then get back to these. This is the bonus bag for the art and craft, I'm quite sure. I've seen one page in the art and craft book where it was completely sky. It was a night sky, so definitely we'll have to, these are like stickers and we'll have to paste it out there. Yes. They've provided 3 storybooks this time. Hey Benji, your favorite.
Benji.
Benji and who's she? Benji's?
Mama.
Benji's mama, yes. This is another storybook regarding the hedgehog. Another one up in the sky. Relating to the theme, relating to whatever they are going to teach. The stories also will be based on that only. So it becomes more interesting when it is thematic. Show me this, let me show it.
So yeah.
Talking about the night sky. Yes, talking about space, rocket, everything. This is the 3rd month's lesson planner. They said they'll be focusing on exciting concepts relating to clothing in different seasons and social responsibilities. Your child will learn about conservation of electricity, water, paper, etc. at home and more. So it's good if they learn all these through certain activities that they provide. And the best part is the way they pack it. It is sorted in such good manner. Whenever we have to sit for the session, we can just take out the packet and start with the session, and they will give you the required things needed for that particular day. They will provide a list of it, so it becomes very easy for the parent as well as the child. This is day 25 bag, kind of sticker, I'm quite sure. Okay, this is the day 26 bag. I'm sure they have something brilliant in their mind to do with the child. The day 27 bag. Okay, regarding different seasons of the year. Yeah. The day 28 bag. This looks like a book. Let me just see it. Day 28 bag. It's written Meg's room. Okay. This is also a kind of activity. Okay, addition of materials in this girl's room. The more you turn the page, the more the things gets added. This is interesting. I turn this page. By the time I turn the last page, the Meg will have so many things, and in the beginning she has almost nothing. Okay, this is nice. The day 24 bag. Out here, I think we have to count and write. Yeah, count the number of people here and then write. Count the number of yellow person and then write here. Count the number of blue and then write here. And my son just enjoys these kind of activities. He loves doing these kind of counting activities. Take. Count further better. How many are there? How many blue person? This is day 30 bag. Relating to people. Flinto Express arrival. This is nice. Flinto station. Wow. I wish there was really a Flinto station. We would have gone for a vacation to Flinto station. This is day 31 bag. Puzzle, definitely. Using the vowels and consonants. This is day 32 bag. Oops. Just got folded. It's okay. Day 32 bag. Numbers are here. Definitely focus on numeracy skills. This is day 33 bag. With the different materials in the house, in the bathroom. The child has to fix it here. This is the bonus bag. Bonus bag where they have some kind of sand out here, white sand. And I don't know what else. Some kind of grey sand as well. This is the messy mat and the apron that they have provided once again. My child has a collection of 3 now. So in all the 3 terms they have provided around 3 of it. So it's quite nice. These are the books. Benji is wearing glasses this time. Do not litter. Okay. Teaching good habits and how to keep clean. Hey Benji. He's wearing sunglasses. He's wearing sunglasses, baby. This is another book. And this book is something new. Assessment worksheets. Let's check it out. Okay. That's interesting. Very nice. Match the capital letters with the small ones. Then circle and count. What's that? Count and circle. Color the elements that begin with B, small letter B. If I give Atharv this book, he will start doing it right away. He loves these kind of activities relating to literacy and numeracy. He loves doing it. Count and write the number of butterfly, number of ducks, number of tow truck, number of ice cream. He loves all these. Color words of the same family. Cat, win, fat, bed, hat. That means cat, fat and hat, if I'm not mistaken. 10, tab, day. They will be teaching the spelling of the numbers this time. So in the previous term they have taught 1 to 25. Not they have taught, I mean they have asked the child to, to write and to practice, and they have involved activities based on numbers from 1 to 25. This time they will be including numbers from 1 to 50, and they will also be focusing on the spellings. So this is nice. Find the missing numbers. He loves doing these. He has done a lot of it. Small fish and big fish, small leaf, bigger leaf. The quality of the material has never disappointed me. It's so nice and it's just so worth. Nowadays, I don't want to offend anyone, but sometimes most Educom companies, they fail to provide quality products. They promise, but they fail to provide the quality products. And Flinto Class has never disappointed us. So thank you so much, Flinto Class, for providing such quality products and such informative materials throughout the 3 terms. I and my son have literally enjoyed every session in Flinto Class and every activities in Flinto Class. And thank you to the teacher as well. The teacher, Miss Komal. Miss Komal has done a fantastic job. Thank you so much, Miss Komal. You don't want to thank Miss Komal? Thank you, Miss Komal.
Miss Komal.
Yes. Perfect.